So now look at this one. We were discussing about the daytime, how the street lights are working. If the light is available, sunlight is available, street light should be switched off. Okay, daytime. That means if the light intensity is high, light should be switched off. Then nighttime, it should be switched on. So I'm using the lamp also. Hari. Then when I switch off the lamp, that means room is dark. Here the green color bulb is lighting. And when I switch on the lamp, then bulb is not lighting. හරි bulb එක පත්තු වෙන්නේ මෙතන කාමරේ අඳුර වෙනකොට. lamp එක off කරපුවාම දැන් ආයෙ මම lamp එක on කරපුවාම බලන්න green light එක off වෙලා යනවා. හරි. green light එක මෙන්න මෙතන සුදු පාට මෙන්න මේ light එක ගැන බලන්න. මේ red එක නෙමෙයි. හරි. දැන් green එක පත් වෙනවා. ඇයි? මම lamp එක off කරා. So I off this lamp. Now green bulb is lighting. Now I am going to switch on the light. See? The bulb is switch off. This bulb is switch off. Now again look at the bulb in the white color. This one. It's working. Okay. So night bulb is lighting and the daytime bulb is switching off. Okay. So this is I have done with the Arduino processor, but this is the what we were discussing there in the note. Okay. Then we'll move to the lesson again. Okay, so use of sensors and microcontroller. Now we are going to discuss why we are going to use the sensors and microcontroller. Okay, so I think you may know about there are solar lamps in the night time. It's working according to the motion. So those solar lamps detecting the motion sensor. Okay, so if there's a robber comes, quickly lamp is going to light up. Or if someone is moving on the ground, or then it will switch on. Then if no one is there, then light is switch off. Okay, so now look at this one. Solar lamp. This contains solar light, sensors, and microcontroller. Solar cell. What other things is available? Solar cells and microcontroller. Solar cells, microcontrollers, and light sensors cooperate to light the lamp. So it uses the light sensors, then solar cells, microcontrollers all three work together and control the lamp. The solar lamp turns on automatically when the dark and turns off when there is light. Use of such solar lamps can minimize the wastage of electricity. So using the solar lamp, we can minimize the electricity. So then the next one is washing machine. We already discussed about the washing machine. Pressing buttons, the user gives instructions to the microcontroller for the wash. Then microcontroller operates according to the given instruction. And microwave ovens, the microcontroller in the microwave oven holds the heat for the special period and stop the user as instructed regarding the required temperature and the duration. Okay, so not the normal oven. This means the electrical oven. Most of them also same, but especially microwave oven, we just want to give the heat, not the rotate. Just press the button, then it will automatically give the heat. Okay, so we'll discuss this part of also important. Single board computer SBC. A single board computer uses single circuit board with the memory, input, output, and microcontroller. So we call those things example Raspberry Pi. So actually Raspberry Pi is a no, like normal processor, but the functionalities are little bit lesser than the normal computer processor. But we says compared to the other devices, it like a processor. Single chip processor SCC. Central processing unit, input, output, and memory are built into the single integrated circuits ICs. Example, Arduino chip. So Arduino processor, the one which I already shown that is the Arduino. The blue color one is Arduino. Okay. And if you want to access the internet with that, we are using the Ethernet shield. Okay, so this is the Arduino board with the Ethernet shield. Earlier, Arduino board is only the down part. So on top of that, Ethernet shield is pinned. If I remove this one, this is the Arduino board. Okay, so if I want to access with the internet, if I want to control this one with the internet, I have to use the Ethernet shield. So with the Ethernet shield, we are getting the internet access for this one. Okay, so this is the Arduino board. And the microbit processor, now we are going to start discussing. Okay, so normally when we fix it to the computer, it's starting with the live. And I think, can you see the letters? Hello is processing. So we can type our name, we can display the name. Have you seen some shops displaying the name with the bulbs? So that's what there is a small chip with the microbit processor, then it display the light system. Okay. So we can display our name in this processor even. So we'll see how we are going to do those things. Okay. The thing is there are too much of notes. You have to write it. Without that, we can't go. I'm not going to give all the theory part. I just give you the point form. Okay. So next heading should be the use of sensors and microcontrollers. Write the heading. Use of sensors and microcontrollers. Number one, solar lamp. Solar lamp with light sensor. Just write that. Solar lamp with light sensor. Next one, washing machine. What is the washing machine detect the water level with the pressure, weight. Just write washing machine. So some solar lamps are there with the motion sensor. Then when the user is moving here and there, then it will light. We'll just as what is available in the book. Next one, microwave oven. So microwave ovens are using the heat sensors. Okay. Next one, single board computer. We'll write only the example. Just write single board computer SBC. That's a separate point, okay? Actually, it should be type of microprocessors, but they haven't given the heading. Um, shall I change the topic? Just write type of microcontrollers. Under that, we'll write it. Do you have space there? Just put the heading type. Examples or types of microprocessors. Types of microcontrollers. Types of microcontrollers. Okay. So single board computer example, Raspberry Pi. RASBERY, Raspberry Pi. Next one, single chip computer. Example, Arduino. Okay. So no need to discuss deep on this one. Single circuit is there. Actually, there are ICs. Okay. Okay. So I'm moving to the use of microcontroller. Now look at use of microcontroller. Microcontroller used kit can be used with obtain the required output. A few such microcontrollers based kits are microcontroller based kits are Microbit, Arduino, Raspberry Pi. The following websites will help with information about these kits. Example, microbit.couk, arduino.cc, raspberrypi.org. Now we are going to discuss about the microbit. Write the heading microcontroller based kits. Kits mean the device. Microcontroller based kits. Number 1, microbit. Number 2, Arduino. Number 3, Raspberry Pi. Okay. I just show you the images of all. So this is a microbit. Okay. This is the device which I am using now. But you don't need this one. Don't ask your parents to buy and give. I'm going to use the app and the website. From that, you can run the program. No need to purchase this one since you are still small. So if you are doing some robotic things, then that it will be okay. Then next one. This is the Arduino Uno board, which I already shown that. And there are other circuits also. So mainly we are discussing the microbit now. And see, there are different types of Arduino boards. The parts of Arduino boards. Just have a look, okay? And the light blinking system. There is a processor there. And here, as I told you, inside the microprocessor, what's available? CPU is there, ROM is there, random access memory, timing slot, Okay, reset buttons, these things are there just to know. Okay, so we'll move to the lesson. The following websites help with more information about these kids. We'll do something like that. So you already wrote the uh, you see, when I click on that, I just log into the microbit coding. Okay, so from this one even we can do okay. So this is the original site what they use. So if you want, you can download this one even. But I think this is a little bit easy, Microsoft and Microbit one. So we'll see when while we are doing that, and we'll move to the lesson. Just click on and move. Uh, can you write the example, the official site? Under the note, you will write, following website will help more information. The following website will help with more information about these kits. Just look at the website address and type it, write it, www.microbit.co.uk. Then next one, www.arduino.cc. There's no comma, just write that is error, don't write the comma. Next one, www.raspberry.org. Okay, this chapter is more about the use of microbit and Arduino microcontrollers. Microbit, the BBC Institute has developed this microcontroller used to get input, process them, and produce the output. The contains sensor also. This contains memory too. Hence, this board has the basic features of computer. Further, it contains sensors. Also, the architecture of the microbit module as follows. Okay, so the most important part is there. Who developed the microbit processor? BBC Institute. Okay, and why? To get the inputs process and produce the output. Okay, so this point is important. Now we will write that one. And it contains the memory too. Okay, that means it has the basic features of the computer. So we call this one, this architecture as the microbit module. Okay, now look at this one. There are two reset buttons both the side. Two programmable buttons A and B. So we can program with the help of button A and button B. The next one, digital and analog inputs. Number two, digital and analog inputs. 0, 1, 2 numbers are digital and analog inputs. Okay, so both the side we have the AB buttons. Then first two digital and analog input. Then next one, number 3, individually programmable LED bulbs. The bulb Bulbs are built into the module, so additional LED bulbs are not necessary. So Arduino board, I have already added the additional bulb and used it, but here is already consists of the bulb which built on it. Port to connect power. So we are using the power port. Okay, so power cable is there and LED bulb system is working. So you can see the halo, or the, if you want, you can name your name also, like blink like that. Then ground pack port. So the earth normally voltage 0 we call as a ground. Okay. Then when we turn it other side, you can see there is a small chip on it and circuit. Number 7, central processing unit. Number 6, Bluetooth smart antenna to connect devices using the Bluetooth and transmit radio waves. So you can connect this one with the help of Bluetooth devices. Smart antenna is there available. Number 6, Bluetooth smart antenna, like digital signal. Okay. So there is a Bluetooth smart antenna. You can connect this with your phone or another computer without the cable. Actually, you can do a lot of things with this one. Uh, if you start step by step, you can make a robot also. Okay, then micro USB port connected to the CPU. So number 8 means micro USB port. Okay, so from that we are connected to the CPU. The battery connector connect 3-volt in external power supply. Just think, if the computer is not connected, so how can we give the power? We should give the power with the battery. Okay. So if you have rechargeable battery, we can plug it there. So number 9, connected battery to the connect 3-volt external power supply. Number 9. Okay, so here the external power supply connection is available. Then, number 10, accelerometer and compass. Why there is a compass? Have you seen? So, north, south direction can identify. Actually, you can make a small game using this one even. Okay, so number 10 is accelerometer and the compass. So, when you move it, it detects the motion. Number 10 down. Here the compass and accelerometer. Accelerometer means when you move it fast, that also it will detect. So the pin edge connector. Now 11 means pin edge connector. Okay. Connecting microbit module to the computer. So we take the microbit module, that means microbit processor, and plug the USB port into the micro USB port, then plug the other side into the computer. Okay, before starting, there's a small section to be done. May 8, okay. We'll write this one, the highlighted part. Otherwise, I'm sure you don't write it. Write the heading, microbit. After we start the coding, definitely you will skip writing that. That's the way how A-level students. Okay, heading is microbit. Then the BC Institute has developed this microcontroller module to get input, process them, and produce output. Right, copy this one quickly. All these 3 points. Okay, so code in the microbit module. Code in microbit module is done online. The to code microbit module, access the microbit code in the website www.makecode.com. This features a drag and drop, specially to speed up the programming. So when you click on that, you will move to this page. Then from there, you must click on the microbit. So after you click on, you will come to the exact page, which I already sent you in the WhatsApp group. So this is the make code.microbit.org. So direct URL I have already sent you. Okay. So there are some tutorials. See the moisture contents of the uh, fertilizer is going to check with this, and if the water is not available, can make some alarm system. So like we can code all those things. Okay, so now we are going to make a new project. Type. I just write the number 1. Okay. Practical one. Okay, you better go to the create and make the login. That means give the name of the project. Okay, then you quickly join into this one. Then, if you want, you can connect your machine in. And if you those who have the microbit processor, you can connect it with this one connect device. Others, you can straight away continue. So when you give the connect device, you can connect the device with this one. I'll connect my microbit.